Welcome to a new Siemens Connected Home training video. In this video, we're going to see how to operate the receiver. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to the device detail page of this device, and you see that we actually have two relays, and therefore this device is represented with two boxes. The first one is to control the boiler. And you see here on the screen that basically the boiler, you cannot do much, right? This is because it is actually acting automatically based on the heat demand from the radiator valve. If the radiator valve asks for heat, then it would turn on the boiler. If it doesn't ask for heat, then it would turn off. And so that is what we call the working mode auto. But if you want to go into manual mode, you can also do so. So you would set manual mode, you would go back, and you see now that the background screen is not great anymore. And you can, by clicking here, turning on and off the boiler. I don't know if you can hear actually, but I can hear that the relay here clicks and goes on and off. I'm going to be putting it back to automatic because I want the boiler to be reacting based on the heat demand from the radiator valves. So that was for the boiler. Now for the domestic hot water, that's the second relay that we have here on this device. And what we can do with the domestic hot water is that we can set a schedule. And the way to save energy is to set the schedule to be heating the hot water during the night, because the energy is cheaper at that time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be setting a schedule. So actually these schedules, I will delete them, this one as well. And I'm going to be adding a schedule that I will repeat every day. And every day I want that at, let's say, 2 a.m. it turns on. So it will heat my hot water during the night. And then at 4, it will turn off, power off. I hit save, and now the hot water of my system will then be saving energy and only heating during the night when the heat is cheaper. Oh, one thing that I forgot to mention is that you can also operate manually the relays. So if I take this device and I double click on this unique button that we have, it actually turns off both relays, independently from the state it was originally. If I double click again, it turns on. And this manual override, this physical override that I do with this button, will be active for 15 minutes. After that, it will go back to the normal schedule that we had in the mobile application. This feature is done for test purposes when you actually link the relays to the boiler and the hot water and the domestic hot water device to make sure it works fine.